I love your emoji for noon today. It's like,
waiting for rain. No, it's like this. It's anticipating. It's very exciting. Because we had a little bit yesterday, and I'd love to get more. The problem is we could get some flooding rains in spots along the Palmer Divide, especially Friday. Tomorrow looks like it's going to be our wettest day. Today, here's your first alert. You're waking up to some mid to upper 60s, and then we're in the low to mid 90s by the afternoon. Some scattered storms and showers developing, and timing-wise, it's likely going to be late afternoon, early evening. Just in time, I know, perfect timing for the evening drive. Better chance of storms today compared to yesterday. Now, with a few of these, we could get some heavy rain, some wind gusts closer to 60 miles per hour, and some larger hail. So there is that slight risk of severe weather across the northeastern corner of our state. That includes right here in town. 90s today. It does get cooler this weekend. We're going to be in the 80s both Saturday and Sunday. Live from our Viera wireless camera in Sterling, a beautiful start. You've got a little cloud cover out east, and temperatures are in the 60s to low 70s through early morning. We'll get to about 77 here at Denver 7 by 10 o'clock, and then 78 in Fort Collins at the same time. Mild through the morning with more mid to upper 80s right around lunchtime. So it's not going to be quite as brutal as you step out the door for lunch today. Denver at about 85, Boulder 82, and some mid 70s in the foothills. Then by the afternoon, it's still pretty toasty. Right around 4 o'clock, we're likely going to hit highs in the low to mid 90s. Denver at about 92. We won't stay there long because you'll notice we get storms developing in Jefferson County. Those are going to roll east, and there's that potential for more showers through the evening, really from about 4 to 7 o'clock here in Denver. And then by about 7:38, most of that moves just east of I-25, closer to Greeley and Fort Morgan. And there is that threat again that a few of those are going to turn a little bit stronger. Overnight, you might get some lightning out in the distance. That's 10:30, and you can see a few spotty showers. The mountains also getting a little bit of rain overnight. So we're still tapping into some of that monsoon moisture this next few days. So when you look at our chance for showers by afternoon today, early evening, right around 7:30, upwards of about a tenth, maybe even 2/10 of an inch of rain here in town. But some of these rainfall rates on Friday could get pretty intense. By 10 o'clock on Friday, obviously a bit more activity and some pretty good total rain. Here along the Palmer Divide, could get over an inch within just an hour in some spots. These are slower moving storms when we get that monsoon coming in from the south. Today 93, tomorrow we're at 88 degrees. Now the Rockies are off today, but they're still here in town this weekend, and on Friday we've got some pretty chilly, well, not chilly.
Oh, come on.
77's not chilly, but compared to 95 it is. I'll show you that futurecast coming up in just a minute for the game Friday. Heading into the weekend, some low to mid 80s. We'll stay in the 80s through the first of next week. It's good. It's a nice break, man.
If we lived in Phoenix, then you could say it's chilly.